Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss RRB Quant previous year questions. First question, consider a sequence of 7 consecutive numbers. If the average of the first 5 number is set and then the average of the last 3 numbers is. So 7 consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Average of the first 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 divided by 5 equal to 15 by 5 is 3. Average of the last 3 numbers is 6. If the average of the first 5 numbers is Z, 3 is Z, then average of last 3 is 6. So Z plus 3 will be the answer. Option A will be the answer. Next, the average of the first 12 multiples of 11 is. So, first number 11, second number 22, 33, up to 12 numbers. So, here n will be, number of terms will be 12. And the difference is 11. First number will be 11. So, sum of terms equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This arithmetic progression. So here n equal to 11, 11 by 12, 12 by 2 into 2 into 11 plus 12 minus 1 into d11. So sum of terms will be 858. Required average will be 858 divided by 12. That is 71.5 will be the answer. 71.5 will be the answer. If the average of 5 consecutive even number is 10, then find the number at the center when these 5 numbers are arranged in the ascending. Here average of 5 consecutive even number is 10. So we can take the number A plus 2, A plus 4, A plus 6, A plus 8. So the average will be the middle term. A plus 4 equal to 10. A equal to 6. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then find the number at the center when these 5 numbers are arranged in ascending order. So the number will be 10. So answer will be option D. Option D will be the answer. If the average of 5 consecutive, so this question is similar to the previous one. The average of 7 numbers was given as to 553. Later it was found that one number was necessary the 16 instead of 58. What is the correct average of the given 7 numbers? Here average of 7 is 53. So sum 7 into 53 equal to 371. According to the question, sum equal to 371 plus 58 minus 16. So 371 plus 58 minus 16. 42. Answer will be 413. So the average, correct average will be 413 divided by 7. It is answer is 59. Answer will be 59. Average of 3 consecutive natural numbers which are in increasing order is k. 2 more consecutive numbers just next to the first set of numbers are added, then the new average will become. First natural number. First natural number x. Second natural number x plus 1. Third natural number x plus 2. Average of 3 consecutive natural number which are increasing order is k. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 divided by 3 equal to k. So here asked next 3 numbers are also added. So x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 5 will be added. What is the average? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x plus 15 by 6. Here we will, from this equation, we get 3x plus 3 by 3 equal to k. 3x plus 3 equal to 3k. So x plus 1 equal to k. First option we will get x plus 1 equal to k. Here the question asked was, next 2 numbers are also added. So x plus 3 plus x plus 4 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x plus 10. 5x plus 10 divided by 5 equal to 5 into x plus 2 divided by 5. So x plus 2, that means x plus 1 plus 1. X plus 1 is k. So k plus 1 will be the answer of this question. So k plus 1 will be the answer of this question. So option B will be the answer. The mean of the squares of first 10 natural numbers is. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers will be n into n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1 by 6. So if here n equal to 10. So 10 into 10 plus 1 into 2 into 10 plus 1. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. So mean equal to 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6 into 10. So 77 by 2 will be the answer of this question. 77 by 2 will be the answer of this question. N into, equation is n into 2n plus 1 into 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sum of squares of first n natural number divided by the number of turns n equal to the average, mean or average. Mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers. Mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers will be, answer will be 10. The mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers, the equation will be the mean of the first 10, first n natural number will be n. Difference between the mean of the first 8 composite natural number and the mean of the first 8 prime numbers is. So here, mean of the first 8 composite natural numbers is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. Mean of these numbers, first 8 composite natural number, mean of these numbers is 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 by 8. We will get a 78 by 8. So first 8 prime numbers. First 8 prime numbers. First 8 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Answer will be 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 divided by 8. Answer will be 77 by 8. Required difference is equal to 78 by 8 minus 77 by 8 equal to 1 by 8. The answer will be 1 by 8. If the mean of the 5 observations is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 4 is 20, then the mean of the first 2 observations is. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equal to sum of all observations. Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. X plus x minus 1 plus x minus 3 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 4 divided by 5 equal to 20. So 5x minus 10 equal to 100. 5x equal to 110. X equal to 22. Mean of the first 2 observations. So x plus x minus 1 by 2. 2x minus 1 by 2 is asked. So 2 into 22 minus 1 by 2. So 43 by 2. That is equal to 21 by 5 will be the answer. 21 by 5 will be the answer. If the average of A1, A2, A3 and A4 is 19.5, A1 equal to 21, find the average of A1, A2, A3 is equal to the average of A2, A3, A4, then what will be the value of A4? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 divided by 4 equal to 19.5. A1 is equal to 21 plus average of A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 equal to divided by 3 equal to average of A2 plus A3 plus A4 divided by 3. So cross multiplying 3A1 plus 3A2 plus 3A3 equal to 3A2 plus 3A3 plus 3A4. So 3A1 equal to 3A4, A1 equal to A4. So then what will be the value of A4? Here A1 21, so A4 also we will get 24. Option C will be the answer. The difference between the mean of the first 5 composite numbers and the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. Difference between the mean of the first 5 composite numbers and the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. Mean of the first 5 composite numbers. Mean of the first 5 composite numbers 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by 5 equal to 37 by 5 equal to 7.4. Mean of the first 5 prime number. Mean of first 5 prime number will be 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5, that is equal to 28 by 5 equal to 5.6. So required difference will be 7.4 minus 5.6. Answer will be 1.8. 1.8. Option D will be the correct answer of this question. Mean of the first 8 odd natural numbers is first n odd natural number mean will be the n terms 8. 8 will be the answer. Average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 40. Find the smallest number among the numbers. Consecutive. Average of 5 consecutive even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle term is 40. So find the smallest. Here 42, 46. Here 38, 36. So the answer will be option B is 36. So option B 36 will be the correct answer of this question. Find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. So first term A equal to 7. Second term 14, 21 up to 20th term. Term 20. So here average is sum is 7. 7 plus 7 is 21. 21 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 plus or sum of average, sum of first n numbers, sum of first n natural number n into n plus 1 by 2. So first n multiples of k asked, then k into n plus 1 by 2. So 7 into 20 plus 1 by 2. It will be 1470. So total number of observation 20. 147 by 20. We will get the average of 73.5. 73.5. Option C will be the answer. Find the average of first 20 multiples of 8. So here also 8 into 1680. So average will be, this is sum, average will be 1680 divided by 20. We will get 84 as the answer of this question. We will get 84 as the answer of the question. What is the average of the first 30 multiples of 9? So we will get 30 into 9 into n into 30 plus 1 by 2. That is 4185. Average will be 4185 divided by 30. That is 139.5 will be the answer of the question. 131.5 will be the answer of the question. Average of 5 consecutive number is 50. What is the difference between the product of the largest and the smallest number to the product of one, the fourth and the second number? Here, the average is 5 consecutive number. 5 consecutive number. So 50, 51, 52, 49, 48 will be the answer. Average will be the middle term. Middle term ആണ് average എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So 50, we product of the largest and the smallest number. Difference between 48 into 52. Fourth and the second number. 51 into 49 is asked. So multiplying we will get so answer will be -3. Option B will be the answer of this question. Average of 5 consecutive numbers is 10. Then what will be the middle number? Middle number will be 10. Average of 5 consecutive number is 100. Find first number. So 100, 99, 98, 101, 102 will be the series. First number is 98. Option A is the answer of this question. 5 consecutive numbers is 100. Then difference of the squares of the largest and the smallest. Average of 5 consecutive numbers is 100. Then the difference of the squares of the largest and the smallest numbers will be. So take the first numbers x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 respectively. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 100. So 5x plus 10 divided by 5 is 100. So 5x plus 10 equal to 500. 5x equal to 490. X equal to 98. So smallest number 98, largest number 98 plus 4, 102. So taking the difference, 102 square minus 98 square. So 102 A plus B into A minus A plus B into A minus B. That will be A square minus B square. So 102, 98, 200 into 4. Answer will be 800. Answer will be 800. So the answer of this question will be 800. The mean score of class A of 40 students in the mathematics test is 30. Of 30 marks is 23. The mean score of class B of 45 students in the same class is 22. That is the ratio of the mean score of both the classes to that of class A. So here the total marks. Total marks obtained by 25 students. Here the mean score of class A of 40 students in the mathematics test of 30 marks is 23. So the ratio of the mean score of both the classes to that of class A is 40 into 23 plus 45 into 22 divided by 40 plus 45. That will be is to 23. That will be 382 is 23 into 17. That is equal to 382 into 391. So option C will be the answer of the. In a class of 100 students, the mean marks obtained in a certain subject is 25, and in another class of 50 students, mean marks obtained in the same subject is 70. Mean mark obtained by the students of both the class taken together. So first class 100 into 25, that is 2500 total mark. Second class 50 into 70, that will be 35,000, 3,500. So the joint average will be total marks divided by total number of students. That will be 2,500 plus 3,500. That is 6,000. 6,000 divided by 150, that is equal to 40 will be the answer of this question. Next, the average mark obtained by group of 25 students is 36. 25 students is 36. One student left the group as a result of which the average of the remaining student grew to 37.5. Soon after, another joined the same group as a result of which the average mark obtained rose to 37.2. Find the average mark of the students who left and the students who joined the group. The sum of these, the sum of marks of 25 students are this 900. Total mark obtained by 24 students. Total mark obtained by 24 students is 24 into 37.5, that is equal to 900. So marks obtained by the student who left the group, 900 minus 900, that is equal to 0. Marks obtained by 24 students plus 1 new joined students is 25 into average 37.2, that is 930. So marks obtained by the new student who joined the group will be 930 minus 900 equal to 30 marks. 30 marks will be the new joined student mark. So the average obtained marks of students who left and joined is 0 plus 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15 marks. 15 marks will be the answer of this. Mean of the marks scored by 40 students is 68. Later on, it was found that the score of 25 was misread as 45. Find the correct mean. So 68 into 40. 2720 was the sum. Minus this was 25 was misery as 45. So 20 minus, so 2720 is 2700 is the sum divided by 40. So we'll get 67.5. So 67.5 will be the answer of this question. 67.5 will be the answer of this question. So this is the last question.